Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the Shopify Dawn theme. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you'll want to navigate to the online store section, then click on Themes. You'll see the Dawn theme readily available in the free theme library. Simply click Add to install it to your store. This initial step takes just a few moments, getting you ready for customization. Once Dawn is installed, click the Customize button to enter the theme editor. Here, you can begin personalizing your store's appearance. Start by adjusting global settings such as your brand's color palette, font choices, and overall layout. Don't forget to upload your store's logo and favicon. These small details make a big impact on brand recognition and professionalism, ensuring a cohesive look. Next, focus on structuring your store's content. Create vital pages such as an About Us page to share your story and a Contact Us page for customer inquiries. Then, organize your main menu and footer navigation to ensure easy browsing for your customers. You can also add various sections to your homepage, like featured collections or testimonials, to highlight key products and build trust with visitors. Finally, it's time to populate your store with products. Add each item with compelling descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing. Before launching, thoroughly review all your settings, test the checkout process, and ensure everything functions smoothly. Once you are confident, simply remove the store password in your Shopify admin to officially open your shop to the world. Congratulations, your store is now live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.